You mentioned that the experience that you have is about what, how many years?
Digital, digital marketing, 1 year.
Okay. See, a few things to note here, Shibani, is first of all, the role that you're looking for, project manager, is not something that a lot of people get right out of college. Okay,
Huh,
this is
correct.
actually, I would say, a mid-level sort of position, and you
Yeah.
are expected to have some working knowledge about project management. If a company is hiring you right out of your college as a project manager,
Hmm.
it is very likely that you have actually studied project management in that college, right? Or your
Correct.
specialization is in project management. Because when you are
Correct.
hired, when you're working as a project manager, you're essentially working with uh, teams that may have people with a lot of experience, and you are expected to get work done from them, which might not be something suitable for someone who's right out of college as a fresher in the industry. So that is one thing. That being said, there are positions like you mentioned about interning. There are positions like, project management coordinator, project management analyst, junior project manager. Uh, these are the kind of positions that are usually typically offered to people who are not that experienced, specifically into project management. Now, to attract that kind of roles, you need to show something in your resume that you know what project management is, or at least you know something about project management. Okay. So
Okay.
that w what happens typically is, like you mentioned, you've worked in social media and design and all, right? There would
Hmm.
be certain terminology, certain uh, concepts that only people that come
Yeah.
from that industry would understand, right? So if you are a project manager and
Hmm.
someone sends you an email, hey, my activity is on critical path, I need this to be escalated.
Uh,
You might not even know what critical path is and
correct.
what this guy is talking about, right? Because you are essentially not speaking the global project management language. So that comes either with a lot of experience or with some knowledge, some studies of project management, right? So I would highly suggest, if you are specifically looking for project management, that you will have to study about project management, and you will have to
Okay.
show a certification or two on your resume, and then look out for opportunities, making use of those certifications and pitching to
Yeah.
the people offering job that you know about project management. And these are the kind of, like I talked about critical path, these are the kind of things. There are several other such concepts which may show up in your job interview as well, right?
Correct.
So
Yes.
let's say,
Yeah.
assume that you are right now on a job interview for a project manager
Huh.
position. I might ask
Yeah.
you certain project management concepts that you might not even be aware of, right? So that's the thing. So I
Correct.
would highly suggest, if you are specifically targeting this domain, then you should aim for some certifications. I would suggest you can look at CAPM certification. uh, CAPM is basically called Certified Associate in Project Management. It is offered by PMI.
Yeah. Associate program. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That is more suitable for those who do not have work experience of 3 years in project management. So I would say, try and look for what CAPM requires, what is the courseware of CAPM, what are the kind of things you need to know for a CAPM. And once you get your feet wet into what project management is, the basic terminologies and all, I think you'll have better idea of whether you want to pursue project management or not, right? So that is again a decision that you should take when you're studying for your CAPM.